Hey, how's it going? Welcome to Tuesday Seeds. Today, Uriah Israel will be sharing some additional regenerative ag principles and practices that you can put into play as we enter this fall season. So please stay tuned.
All right. Well, last time I think we spoke, I talked about your fall garden. So you might say, "Hey, I got still some of my tomatoes and some of my warm season stuff is doing pretty good right now. Do I really need to change it up?" Well, no, you don't have to. But some of the plants that may have began to die off and you've harvested enough, and this is a good time to like really pull up and clean up your garden, get it prepared for the cool season. Now you can pull up some of the dying plants, right? And put them in your compost pile, pull up some of the weeds that's in your garden, and then consider, like, I know a lot of people that will come through and till their yards, just drag the tiller through it, or just rake and use their shovel and just divide up and break up the soil. Well, I'm going to give you another suggestion, and that is to do it like a no-till method and really just lay a good 2 inches of compost or compost and manure on the top of your beds, right on top of the soil, and just plant directly into that. And you'll get a really good result, because I think I talked about the mycorrhiza. When you till and you take your shovel and you dig into the soil, you begin to break up all this beneficial fungi that's in your soil. So why not take advantage of it? It's been building all summer long. Just add some compost and manure on top of it and plant directly in that, and you'll be fine. This is a good time to, just gather those leaves also. And if there's too many, just kind of put them in a pile and use those for composting later on. This is a time right now you can harvest a lot of leaves. Okay, with that being said, I'm going to let you guys go and I'm going to continue my walk. Okay, have a good afternoon.